Somewhere around midlife, things get kind of weird. Your body decides to make changes, but doesn't run them by you. I mean, I certainly didn't get the memo. Suddenly, there's inflammation, brain fog, maybe anxiousness, exhaustion, and food that used to be fine is now suspicious. Sure, midlife changes can kickstart a cascade of illness, and we're often told it's just hormones or just aging. Super helpful, right? But here's what most people don't realize. As we get older, we don't just lose function, we actually start expressing certain genes even more. And things like stress, hormone shifts, our environment, and lifestyle can further flip those genetic switches, sometimes in ways that feel less than ideal. So instead of seeing this phase of life as a slow unraveling, what if it could actually be a turning point? I'm Sona, a certified functional nutrigenomics consultant and wellness coach. And welcome to my channel, where we talk about why midlife symptoms show up, what the science actually says, and share practical tips and tonics for better performance, energy, and focus. With functional genomics, I believe it's possible to calm inflammatory and stressor genes while supporting cellular, metabolic, and brain health. You deserve a new vitality, a steady calm, a sharp, resilient mind, because nothing should stand in your way of living your best life, not even your genes.